Man, y'all see this thing, man. It's back together. It's back together. It took me a little bit longer than I expected, but we got it back together. Now let's see if it'll fire. I got it hooked up to the car because it does need a battery. I'm just gonna clean the plastics up. The customer, he didn't want to go too far with the rebuild of the plastics, but they're in pretty good shape. Just clean them up. Man, this thing has come a long way, but let's see if it'll fire. All right, let me turn this thing on, turn the gas on. I did test fire this when I had the red stuff on, but I didn't have the exhaust. I couldn't let it run long, but we're together now. Come on, there we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Good running bike. Man, that's cool, man. This bike's come a long way. Now, those of y'all that don't know, when you first redo a bike, it's gonna smoke a little bit from where I done got my fingerprints all over everything, but man, this thing is running good, dude. For a first start. I am gonna do a little heat cycle on it and make sure we don't got no leaks and make sure everything's good and she can get going. She's nice and strong. Yes, sir. And if you notice it's not ticking, it don't do that 400 EH tick. That was that decompression removal that we did on it. This bike is gonna last a long time. It should run good for a long time. Well, man, y'all stay tuned. We got this one and this one next. So y'all know we finna redo this. This one's gonna be a monster. We're gonna do a big bore on it, possibly a stroker. Man, y'all stay tuned to my channel, man. This is what we doing. Man, this thing run good.